Welcome to the Art Clay official channel. Hi there. Check out these silver message rings. 3D silver letters are perfectly designed outside and inside of the ring. How can you make these? Well, keep playing this video and check step-by-step making process with us. This is a super useful mold which has combination of 3 type of ring designs and alphabet all in the same mold. As a regular product, we carry ring mold and alphabet mold individually. But this new combination mold has modified width to fit alphabets nicely inside the ring frame. Before start rolling art clay, find maximum letters which can fit in your ring. In my case here, circumference of inner ring is 60 mm. You can choose either lining letters outside or inside of the ring. As you can imagine, outer circumference is a bit longer than inside. If you line letters outside, add 10 mm and score the memo at 70 mm in this case. Each letter has approx. 3 mm width. Consider extra 2 mm for space between each letter. For the inner message ring of 60 mm long, you can have 12 letters. For the outer message ring of 70 mm long, you can have 14 letters. Okay, now draw a guideline on a self-adhesive memo around a wooden mandrel. Draw center line, then draw the side lines 3 to 4 mm from the center to make 7 to 8 mm width all around. Next, make letters with alphabet mold, and let them dry. Then, apply oil inside the ring mold, and press rolled art clay into it. For use of a ring mold, and alphabet mold, check our previous videos. Okay, after pushing the clay, press it down with a wide ruler. You don't have to scrape off the ring band surface. I will explain why later. Take it out of the mold, and make it straight along with the ruler. Alright. Moisten the ring surface with a moistened brush piece by piece. Place molded and dried letters on the ring. Check alignment, and press it down a bit using tweezers. Okay, I finished fixing all letters in position. Cut ring end to make it approx. 10 mm longer than inner circumference. Moisten all surfaces of the letters, the other side of the ring and the memo around the mandrel. Start wrapping the clay around it. For joining the ends, apply plenty of art clay silver paste type and close it. Merge the join part with a finger by rubbing with a paintbrush or finger gently. You can smooth the rough surface by sanding after drying. Dry the piece completely. Check letters inside of the ring. Now, sand both sides of the ring to be flat with a sandpaper grit number 320 to 600. Next is to treat the ring face with a medium fine file. If you file thin part too deep, you may end up making holes between letters. This is a reason why I mentioned earlier not to scrape off the ring surface when molding. After filing, smooth the surface with a sponge sanding pad red number 320 to 600. Now, let's fill the blank between the first and the end letter. This is where the join part of inner side of the ring. Not only alphabets, the new mold also has star and heart shape. I molded some stars. These are dried and ready to attach. Apply a small amount of art clay silver paste type in the blank to attach these stars. If you find any extra paste sticking out, blend it to the clay surface with a moistened paintbrush. Dry the piece completely with a hot air dryer for more than 10 minutes. You cannot embed them, so they must be a bit higher than side wall of the ring. Then, either file the star surface before or after attaching to adjust the height. Again, smooth them with a sponge sanding pad red number 320 to 600. Alright. Let's take a look at letters inside the ring. Isn't it cool? You can make a hidden message ring like this. If you think ring making is a bit challenging, you can start with this kind of simple pendant. Making steps are exactly same until a halfway I explained. After molding straight line clay with the ring making mold, place your dried letters to attach and fire. You can make a perfect message pendant easily. Enjoy making your own silver with your favorite messages. Thank you for watching, see you again in the next video.